To my YouTube channel. This is ImranRFx. As you all know, I only trade gold, and it's been a long time you hear from me actually. Well, anyway, since we are here, let's continue. That's all about life, okay? Yeah. So for you to trade gold or to be a successful forex trader, you'll have to correlate your pair with DXY. So for you to trade successfully with the smart money and for you to be a consistent forex profitable trader, so let's look at the DXY and see what it's look like, and so that we'll have a bias on what are we going to do in our gold structural market. So let's dive into it and see. Don't forget to subscribe. So we now drop down to daily time frame. As you can see here in daily time frame, the market is still not overbought, and there is a strong bullish momentum as we've seen in the weekly time frame. So how could we know that this market is going to pull back or is going to continue its upward trend? Understand? Then we look at the RSI. It is not overbought and the bullish momentum is still intact. Then from here we now dive into 4-hour time frame to see what the market is doing and to able to trace trading opportunities. Let's dive into 4-hour time frame. Here we are into the 4-hour time frame. Understand? So market is still bullish as we saw it weekly, and here you can see market grab external liquidity and actually pull back, understand, with significant sellers exhaustion immediately when it landed onto the supports. So it has shows me that the bullish momentum is going to continue, so I entered here. My take profit is going to be at that resistance there, or to even break even. What you should make emphasis or consider most is that your RSR is still not overbought. It's not overbought daily, weekly is not overbought, daily is not overbought, and as well as 4-hourly is not overbought. So there is high chances of market breaking even here. So here we are in our gold weekly time frame. As you can see, it is bearish since the weekly time frame in gold is in DXY is bullish. So here we are in daily time frame. What do we have in daily time frame? We have strong bearish momentum to the downside, understand, and our market is not overbought. So let's dive down into 4-hourly time frame to see actually what the market is doing and grab trading opportunities. So but you can see here the market is bearish, and I had entered some trade initially. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame to see what the market is doing. So here is in a 4-hour time frame, and we have a strong bearish momentum to the downside, understand, after a market reached some level of oversold. So it needs to grab external liquidity, and it grabbed it, so it now pulled back for internal liquidity, where we saw a significant sign of bias exhaustion with strong bullish bearish engulfing candle there, as you can see, just hanging at the 20 moving average, understand. So now I'll continue to hold this trade until when I see a reaction of DXY at a resistant level, as I showed you earlier, understand. If there is no any resistance, then I'll continue to hold my trade, understand, with break even. So here is 1-hourly time frame. How do I enter the trend? Understand? Once I realize that there is a break of market structure to the downside and a significant order block, understand, with that double tops, understand, at an order block after breaking of market structure to the downside, that what makes me enter with multiple lots there, understand, even though it's a small account, understand, it's just a new account. I just opened it last week, and I want to grow the account with you guys together, understand, on USD. I want to make it on USD and later convert it to USD, understand. So this is exactly what happened. So I will now continue to hold my trade until I see the reaction there, and even if I see the reaction there in the market of DXY, will not make me to exit out my trades unless otherwise, understand. I will also have to wait for the reaction here to happen, understand. But we correlate with DXY because it drives gold most of the time. It drives gold most of the time. So thank you very much for watching. As you can see, that's how we play the magic, or market played magic itself, understand. And this is the account. As you can see, it's just a USC account from one. It's the initial deposit of the account was 16 USD, 16 to 20 USD if I could remember last week. And there's just a lot, as I got the opportunity to be depositing the lot and picking my profit gradually. That's how I made it. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe onto my channel so that you will be alerted, understand, upon any new video that is uploaded. Thank you so much.